Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can trade futures using funded next futures. So initially I used to think that futures is about cryptos and all that, but recently I just found out that futures can also be traded on Forex, indices, commodities and all that. So today I'm going to walk you through how to use the trading platform for futures. One of them which I'm using here right now is Tradovate, and they also have another one, Ninja Trader. So according to my research, I actually fell in love with Tradovate because of some of the settings and all that in it. So firstly, let's just say you are opening your Tradovate for the first time. What you see is your login and everything, which will be provided to you to use to log in this interface you are seeing here. So which are some of the settings and functions of this Tradovate? That's what I'm trying to show you today, and how you can navigate through them and use it to get the most out of it. So firstly, one of the things I love about this Tradovate and how you too can use it is the risk setting. Risk setting of this Tradovate will allow you to input how much you are going to make, and at the same time it will also allow you to set how much you are going to make in a single trade. This is for firms that have consistency rule. Even funded next, they have the rapid futures and the other one that has consistency rule. The consistency rule states that you must not make over 40% of your profit target in a single day. So with that in mind, you can just simply set it in this Tradovate that whenever your trade hits that percentage or about to hit it, it can automatically close you, and at that point you are done for the day. You don't have to worry about breaking that rule, because it's automatically set to that. So let's see how you can set that. Firstly, you go to this section here. I'm using desktop, so I'm showing you based on desktop settings. You go to this here and you can see where we have risk settings. Let's open it. Now right here you can see I set my risk setting to lose $100 in a day. Once I hit this amount of loss, it will automatically close me for the day. I won't be able to place another trade again. This is to manage my risk. Except you turn this off by toggling this button here, it will then turn off. So you just leave it on to manage your risk, and then you see your daily profit target. This is your daily profit target, that's profit trigger. Since the daily profit trigger for the account is at $500, that is 40%, should be around $500 or thereabout. You need to be slightly lower in order to be safe. Except you need to be like this. Just leave it like this, then you toggle this button on and you are done for this setting. You can then click on save, and there are other settings which might interest you, but as for now I just think these are the two important settings in this section. Now let's go back to the trades itself. At this point right now, when you want to enter a trade, you have to search for it. Let's go for here. You can see I don't think I really need to explain all these symbols for you, because by searching the name of the contract you want to trade on, you can simply see each symbol attached to the name of the contract. Like this is for crude oil, and they have micro and mini. Micro is the smaller version of the mini, which for each tick, like for example, because I trade basically US 30, you can see right here now US 30 E-mini Dow, that is for Dow Jones, is $5 per tick. In the micro is $0.5 per tick, that is 50 cents per tick. So if you want to trade a particular contract, you come to the name of the contract here, you click on it, double click on it. Let's see. Okay, you double click on it, then it will open a search bar which you can either choose the one you want or you search for it. Let's see. You can see for gold, micro gold. Let's just open it and show you. You can see that right here. So let's say you want to buy gold right now. You have to make some settings before buying your trade. Making some setting, you go here and you see the setting. This is it. This setting is named ATMS. This place now means your take profit and stop loss. This is where you put your take profit and stop loss in terms of ticks. So I'll use the Dow Jones, which is US 30, to explain this one, since it is the one I really worked on and understand. So I'll go there again. Now we are here. Let me use mini and not micro. At this point right now, I open the listen. Let's say for this now, I want to risk $50. How do I do that? I set my stop loss at 10. The stop loss is calculated in ticks since you selected ticks for the calculation. So for me, it's the best because you can just times the amount of each tick times the number of ticks you want to use for your stop loss. It will give you the amount in dollars. So basically, since one tick is $5, 10 is $50 for the stop loss. So I can just target $200, which takes us to 40 ticks. So by doing this now, you then turn it on. You turn it on. Don't leave it off. If you leave it off, it won't work. You have to keep it on. Then you click on save. When you click on the save, you have automatically saved that setting, and whatever you are doing on this chart will be in line with that setting. It will be in line with that setting, and it's going to trigger once any of them, either the stop loss or the take profit, gets hit. So after doing that, what are you targeting? What's your plan? Like, for example, on this account, you can see I just took a loss here because this trade hit my stop loss right here. It was going well before coming back to hit my stop loss. So that's fine. That's part of trading. It was going well before coming back to hit the stop loss. So you see, bought one, sold one. It sold that stop loss. So at this point of time, we are out of the trade. We don't want to be risking too much. If the trade looks good, I can really scale in again by simply checking what's happening and how it is going to really play out for us. We don't need to rush. We don't need to guess. So we don't need to do anything stupid so that we don't lose more than we ever thought of. So at this point, I'll just try to open it up and see. Let's see. Yeah, so we can just at this point see that the trade is going well. We enter for one contract, which is buy market. Order filled. So we are in the trade right now, and let's see how it goes at this point. Let's see how it goes. Our stop loss and everything is in place, and we will just see how the trade goes. Alright, so sorry about that. I was a bit distracted and I had to pause right here. So I'm back again. So as I was saying, I normally use my phone to do my analysis, and I found out that this is a little bit good for re-entry since the first one took me out. Normally I don't trade by this time of the day because this is 10 a.m. and that's GMT plus 2. So I normally trade the New York section, which is going to be, according to my time zone, it will be by 1:30 p.m. That's GMT plus 2 as well. That's for my own time zone. So from then to 2:30 or thereabouts, I'll get my entry. At this point here, I just found this trade worthy of re-entry since I was taken out by the first one. So that's all that really matters here. And you can basically search any pairs you want to work with here and add it to your workspace. This is called workspace here. Yeah, Tradovate called this workspace. So what you add here is you adding to your workspace, and you can also as well cancel it by closing this tab here. Close any of them that you want to close, you can close them, or add anyone you want to add by tapping on the name or change it to another one. You can just tap on the name here to change it to another one on this particular workspace. So that's all you need to know about this Tradovate. Yeah, like I said earlier, this Ninja Trader, there's Trading View. Yeah, people connect Trading View to also analyze and take trades directly from there. So I just stick to this Tradovate because I opened it and it's lovely, and both the user interface and everything. I love things that look this way. It looks so professional and the settings are just superb. So I'm glued to this. So I'll be using this Tradovate for all my working this thing, like my trading and everything. I'm gonna stick to Tradovate for my futures needs because it meets everything I need. You can also see this ATM sitting right here, which I already did mine. Like I told you earlier, this is general. Yeah, I believe this one is for the general this thing setting. But let me see. Okay, it's for S&P rather. This is for the S&P 500. Yeah, so that's all that you need to know about this. And there are also many other things that I am not able to talk about in this particular video. So before I end this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is David Williams. I am a forex trader with years of experience and multiple accounts that I have passed, multiple profit accounts that I have passed, not just passed but payout, uncountable payouts. So if you feel that you have anything that is still bothering you, you can drop a comment in the comment section or ask me a question or join my Telegram channel, and I'll be very glad to have you and attend to you. So for now, we are done with this now, and as you can see, I have a running trade right here, so it's going fine. And don't forget, this is a volatile market and we can just come back and lose this trade, but it's nothing. I already set my daily loss to $100, meaning if I lose $100 from my running trade, I have already lost 50 plus. So I'm just having just one shot again. That's the work of a sniper. You need to think. The reason why I love this particular Tradovate is that it makes you think like a sniper. Okay, I have one bullet or I have two bullets. That's the setting for you. If I shoot one, I miss. I shoot again, I miss. I'm done for the day. That means you have missed. So this setting will really help you and control your risk management and make you a very good trader. So see you again in my next video. And don't forget, we are in this together. Thank you.